My first computer was the Apple IIc, and I still remember because I'd been wanting a computer for a very long time. And what I would do is I would actually save up my allowance and get computer games with them and go play at the local department store in their Apple II computer. Until finally I was able to convince my mother to give me the Apple IIc. That is right here. It's very exciting. The computer was really influential to me because I really was introverted and spent a lot of time in my room, and being able to have a computer and be able to explore different worlds and be able to play video games was really something that became a really important hobby to me and eventually my profession. One word. Still don't know the answer to that one. I don't know, I'm going to go for a hyphenated word. I feel like when I think about the computer, I think of it as just being life-changing, and it's like that for me personally, and I feel like it's like that for the world. Yeah, hyphenated. One word, life-changing. It's really been awesome visiting the Nexon Computer Museum because you can really start going back in the past and seeing how computers have evolved, and I think it really teaches you a lot about where computers can go and what you can do with computers when you can kind of see where they come from. Pretty good?
Okay, thank you very much.
Awesome.